how big things, a big looking thing in our mind stops us to grow, and what you can do to make this big looking thing a small tiny thing. But see, understand, human beings are not logical creatures. No matter how much educated you are, no matter you can say I don't have any emotion, trust on me, we all are driven by emotions. Would you agree? Problems are inevitable. Write it down. This is a concept number 1 today. Problems are inevitable. Suffering is a choice. I was able to relate. It was a placebo effect. I was feeling, because human mind can create suffering, human mind can create cure, human mind can create a lot of things. And I remember Kalu Vitrana and Sanat Jayasuriya, when they brought this concept of hitting in the first 10 overs, they were actually playing on this psychology only. That will come and smash the everything. In first 10 years, we'll score 100 runs, and after that, nothing can stop us. The opponent party will be smashed because their confidence is shaken, their belief system is damaged. Now nothing can happen and we will go to victory. That's how they were able to win all the matches for almost 2 years. Nobody could have touched them because they came with a new concept carefully. Anytime a boy feels he cannot win a battle, he will change the battle. And girls naturally have a tendency of creating suspense. They never tell directly what I want. And a boy after 5 years realizes, इतना झंझट से अच्छा मैं job पे focus करूँ, I will become successful CEO of my company rather than wasting my time at home. So all the girls, stop playing this suspense game with your husband. Tell him straightforward what you want. And trust me, because if you feel he can win this battle, he will fight for you and he'll make you happy lifelong. Because the boy wants what? Only one thing from his wife he wants. How to make his wife happy. That is the biggest dream of a boy. If he's married, trust me. Or if the problem is gigantic, listen carefully. If the problem is gigantic, you will not feel excited. The moment you get that first victory, what happens now? Psychologically, you're already feeling like a champion. The moment you're feeling like a champion, your second activity again goes for 5 minutes. 5 minutes. 5 minutes. 20 minutes later, you see your work is done. Not that you're having a focus problem. Focus is coming when there's a priority problem. So I would suggest, पहले priority को fix करोगे तो फिर focus करना आसान हो जाएगा. Now the next question comes, sir, priority कैसे fix करें? अब priority fix करना है तो भाई end goal पे चले जाओ कि what am I looking for? Based on what you're looking for, your priorities will come, and from priorities, focus are easy to come. Otherwise,